In this video, I am going to show you how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. For this, you need to follow these steps. If you don't have a Bybit account, sign up for a new Bybit account. Make sure to do this during a promotional period where the 20 USDT coupon offer is valid. You can find information about current promotions on the Bybit official website. Once you have a Bybit account, then you need to follow these steps. Log in into your Bybit account. Navigate to the reward subsection. This might be under your account or profile options. On the app, it could be under the rewards tab. Look for the section claiming the 20 USDT coupon. It might be prominently displayed or under a claim reward section. Click on claim now or the equivalent button for your interface. There might be a pop-up with more information about the coupon. Once claimed, the coupon should be visible in your My Reward section or a similar area. Using the coupon. Important to note, Bybit coupons are typically for derivation trading and not spot trading. The coupon will automatically be applied to your account when you place a qualifying trade that incurs fees. The coupon amount will be deducted from your trading fees before your own funds are used. Additional tips: Bybit coupons terms and condition can change, so it is good idea to double check the details on their website or app before claiming. There might be expiry dates on the coupons, so pay attention to those. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.